All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 3 mini winners for our MVP Winner's Choice. So we'll check the time July 8th at 3:12 p.m. Going to go over to the mini and type live. We've got July 8th at 3:12 p.m. There is the list of our 26 mini spots. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 3 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Looking for the top 3. We have JJ, Ryan, and Zachary. So JJ, was it 7? I don't remember now. JJ, you get 7. Ryan, you get 4. And Zachary, you will get the remaining 2. So there is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 8th, 3:13 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.